Happy new week! Woo! The weekly vlogs are back. Oh my god, my hair looks so short. So today is Tuesday and I've just been to get my hair cut. My hair was in dire need of a trim. I had to get a couple of inches taken off because it was literally in such bad condition, like it was unreal. So it feels so short right now, like it was down to about here and I was like, oh look how long and swishy my hair is. But it does feel a lot healthier, which is what I wanted. I need to straighten it so it looks cute again. Look when my makeup's come off where they wash your hair. I need to sort that out. So no one is home right now except from me. I've got quite a lot of parcels I need to take back actually. This is probably not the right thing to do my makeup, I'm literally just filling it in. But because I'm going on holiday this Sunday, well I'm flying Monday morning but we're going to stay at Gatwick Sunday night, so basically Sunday. I bought so many new clothes and half of them don't fit me or I didn't like, so I need to send them back before my holiday, otherwise it's gonna be too late. Wow, I love being a professional makeup artist. Can't believe I started my vlog looking like this. I've literally only just realised that this is how I look. Hilarious. And then my plans for the rest of the week are pretty much just pampering, packing and preparing for my holiday. Oh my god, that can definitely be the title of this weekly vlog. I'm in a really odd mood today. I'm seeing my BFF Chelsea tomorrow. I'm going on holiday this week. Life is good. Recently Gabby did a what I eat on holiday video and I loved it, so I'm thinking I'm going to do one of them because it's an all-inclusive holiday. There is going to be much food consumed. I might vlog a little bit, but I mean I don't think we're going to be doing too much. Maybe a couple of like excursions. We want to go and do like dolphin watching or something like that. Since our last weekly vlogs, oh there's the bin men I just had to drive around. Literally the most annoying thing when you live in a little village. The roads are small. On bin day, the massive dustbin thing, if you've got to drive around it, it is a squeeze. I love being so relatable. But yeah, since our last weekly vlog, I've had quite a few deliveries, so I just wanted to show you guys this because some of them are very exciting. So the first thing is something that I bought. Please excuse the noise of the dustbin lorry. But I actually bought this on Amazon. I've seen these quite a lot on Instagram recently. Mostly like mums have them. They put their baby next to it and it says like 3 months or like I can poo now and things like that. But I decided I want to get one for quotes on Instagram, up my Instagram. So as you can see, it's like felt and then these letters stick into it. And this was from a company called Lily and Ted. It was just the first one I found on Amazon, to be honest, and I wanted the grey one. These are all the letters in here. There are so many. I will leave a link to this down in the description below. They are great for Instagram, great for those filler posts, let's be honest. Another thing that I bought recently, this is so random, but suitcase. So as you can see, actually you can't really tell, it looks really big, but it's actually a really small suitcase. See, this is me. And this is the suitcase. It's like up to my knees. It's really small, it's cute. It's got like your standard pulley uppy bit. And then if I open it up for you, like look, this is it next to my handbag. My handbag is just a normal crossbody bag from River Island. So you can see it is really small. But then when you open it up, it's got this compartment, and the reason I'm showing you this is because quite often, or at least now, I'm going to be doing quite a lot of like one night away kind of things, like when I go to see my friends. And the other suitcase that I used was just too big for that. I just needed something like as an overnight bag, so I picked up this one. It was from Primark and it was £25. I really like it. I like the design on it as well. And I also bought this bag yesterday from River Island. I wanted a little black bag for autumn because it just goes with everything. It's got the big compartment there. It's got a poppered compartment either side, but to be honest I don't think I'll use that. And it's like this suede material on the front and then just like the fake leather on the back. I don't know, it's nice and simple, but I like it. And then finally, the lovely team over at Claire's very kindly sent me a whole big package. Like it was huge. Actually they sent me 2 packages. One of them was a Halloween package with like Halloween costumes and a wig and things like that. However, I don't think I'm dressing up for Halloween this year. I don't know if I'm going to some sort of party or not, but if I do, I'm not going to be dressing up Halloweeny. Because to be honest with you, Halloween just isn't my thing. I hate it. I don't like scary things. So I am actually going to give a few of those Halloweeny bits to my mum's friend's daughter. And then the other package they sent me, oh my god, I'm so excited about this. Excuse me, how cute are these? I didn't know, but Claire's sell Disney ears, Minnie Mouse ears, and I'm going to Disneyland Paris in November. Oh my god, I absolutely love these ones. So these are the rose gold. And then they also sent me these super cute little unicorn ones. These are their new ones. Oh my god, it's literally adorable. But not only did they send me the ears, they also sent me a little scrunchie, which would be perfect for Paris because I also have the classic black Disney sequin ears. So if I'm wearing a bun, that would be so cute. We've got some necklaces, some nails, that cute little mirror and some cat ears, a notebook, some makeup brushes, a little headband, all these earrings. oh my god, how gorgeous are these? Like, these I think are my new favourite earrings. I just love them. I've never really looked in Claire's before, to be honest, for earrings. I used to when I was younger, but I didn't realise they still have such nice earrings. I also love these ones. They are such a pretty colour. And I also want to quickly say thank you to The Body Shop for very kindly sending me their advent calendar again this year. How pretty is this packaging? I'm literally so excited for December to arrive now. I've got myself some mandarins, which I don't know if people think they're weird or not. They're like, oh, I don't know. What are they? It's like an orange without the skin. But guys, I have some exciting news. Well, actually no, it ain't exciting and it's not really brand new news. But one of my best friends, Freddie, is currently on a programme on Channel 4 called The Circle. I am literally so proud of him. He's a very controversial person on the show, so I've looked on Twitter and people seem to either absolutely love him or absolutely hate him. I feel like I have a bit of a biased opinion because he is one of my best friends and I've known him since we were 11. He's literally one of the loveliest people I know. He's just he speaks his mind, but I love that in friends. Like, pretty much all of my friends are like that. But if anyone's been watching The Circle, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of Freddie? I actually would really love to do reality TV next year. I don't know what yet. I'd quite like to apply for first dates. I've always wanted to go on first dates. Obviously not when I was in a relationship, but like for years we've watched first dates. We all love it and I think they always match people so well. Let me know, what reality TV show do you think I should go on? So guys, it is now 4 o'clock and we've just come to Southend because I'm going to get myself a ring for this finger, just because no rings I have fit on this finger, so I need to get a proper one. And there's people walking past the car right now watching me vlog. This is very awkward. There's a whole family. Hey guys, I've just got back and I'm just thinking, right, how weird is it? Oh, look how cute my bedroom looks from this angle. Anyway, off topic. I was just thinking, how weird is it how your tastes and your taste buds change as you get older? Because I'm sitting here snacking on some olives. If you'd have told me a year ago, Hannah, you're gonna like olives in a year, I'd be like, no way. I was literally scared of the things. I just think it's so weird that literally my whole life I've hated olives. For like 19 years I hated olives. That's a long time. Just shows sometimes not even you know yourself. Shut up and eat your olives. So guys, I can't remember how much I said on the vlog, but I did actually go to Pandora today and I got myself a ring. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. It's not the kind of ring I was expecting to get. I thought I'd get something quite sparkly and this doesn't have any diamonds in it. I just really liked it when I tried it on in the shop. I got chatting to the manager, the regional manager. In fact, I chatted for so long I nearly bagged myself a job in Pandora. I'm not even joking. Woo! This is tonight's dinner. We've got a roast chicken, broccoli, carrots, roast potatoes and Yorkshire puddings. Gonna eat this now, see you in the morning. Good morning everyone. So today is Wednesday, October the 3rd and I have got up, obviously I've done my makeup, I've got dressed and I'm just about to go and meet Chelsea for lunch. I'm so excited, like I love seeing Chelsea so much. I've probably got toothpaste around my mouth. So I'm gonna go and pick her up and we're just gonna go like to a little local cafe. But it's a really nice place. They do really good like toasties and things like that. So we are heading there today and then this evening I'm actually going all the way to, I think it's Thaden Boys. I don't know, it's like the end of the Central Line. That's all I know. I'm going there tonight with my brother and his girlfriend for a charity night. So we're going to an Indian. So that is my plan for today. So I'm not having a very worky day today, I must admit. I'm having a very social day. But it's now 10 to 12 and I'm picking Chelsea up at 12. So I need to leave my house like 5 minutes ago. I've got a nice little simple outfit on today. So I've got this Primark jumper on. This was in my Primark haul. I literally love it. My jeans are from Topshop. My little bag is from River Island and then I'm going to wear my Nike Air Maxes. So let's go. So we've just come out for lunch. I'm here with Chelsea. Hello. Here she is. Oh, you look so cute. She's got a jacket potato. I've got a tuna toasty. Woo! And we've got some chips as well. Look at those bad boys. The chips in here are so nice. I'm zooming. Oh, look at that crispiness. Lovely. So we've just had lunch and got back in the car. And Chelsea's like, oh, can I have a chewing gum? Oh, I'm really out of focus. Hang on, give me 2 seconds. Like, oh, can I have a chewing gum? I was like, yeah, help yourself. There's Werthers in there if you want, in the glove box. She's having a Werthers. I have found them. I've been waiting for this moment for so long. And you know what? I've never had any guests in my car and I've got all these things to cater for guests. I've got spare sunglasses, I've got hand sanitizer, chewing gum, Werthers. I know, I've got everything in this car.
I think this just proves that we are old women.
We literally are. Having a Werthers original. Who keeps them in their car? Me. I've even got my microfiber cloths that are pink down here. Look at this thing. Look. Does it smell nice in here? It's
Oh,
this.
is it that?
No, it's this. My friend Laura told me about these. She's got one in her car, and you like open it if you want the car to smell nice. See, so now it's closed because I don't like it to smell too overpowering, but then you can move this thing. If you want it, look, that's the scent thing inside it. Looks weird though, doesn't it? And that just goes in there, in the back. Fits perfectly. Well, I can't remember what I was actually going to say. We've just had lunch and we're now going to head back to mine. Chelsea's going to have a rummage through my P.O. box stuff to see what she wants. And then that's it.
That was your idea, by the way.
Yeah, it was my idea. I did offer.
I'm not just trying to steal all your things.
No, she's not. I said she was welcome to. And then, yeah, Chelsea's going to go home and Chelsea's working tonight. My eyeliner smudged because when I was parking, it was so horrific that we would cry laughing and it's all gone. I'm literally the worst parker ever. It took me like 3 attempts just to reverse in and there was not even any cars next to me. But what can you do? Fiat 500 life. Oh my God, I look so pale. How do I fix this, please? Okay, that's definitely not fixed it. There we go, that'll do. But anyway guys, it is a lot later now. It's almost 7:15, which is the time we're supposed to be leaving our house. But yeah, we're going to this charity Indian night tonight. I need to like dab off my lipstick a little bit. It looks too intense with a very natural makeup look. But I just thought I'd quickly show you my outfit. Is it in focus? I can't understand what's happened to my camera. Wow, I love being professional. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. My little top is from River Island. I absolutely love these tops. They're just so easy to wear and they look so cute. I love the little peplum detail. My jeans are just these plain black ones from Miss Pat. This jacket is also from River Island. It comes with a fur that comes around it, but I'm a bit too warm for that tonight. And then I'm going to wear my black Chelsea boots as well. Nice and simple, but it's easy and there are no tight waistbands, so I can eat as much Indian as I like. But anyway, I need to get going. My hair has gone so flat, I don't know why. Oh, but that reminds me, I have discovered a new dry shampoo, which is my new favourite. So it's this collab one, and this is the unicorn fragrance. It looks super cute. Smells incredible. Highly recommend if you're looking for a new dry shampoo. Literally just for the smell of it. I feel like I smell so good right now. But anyway, let's go. Welcome back. Wow, I'm looking great with my hair in this towel. I mean, really looking my best right now. Maybe I should dry my hair actually and then get back to you. I look like an actual egg. Hello again everyone, I am back. My hair's looking really flat. I washed it this morning and you know, like the pre-wash, no, the post-wash, you know, like when it just won't cooperate. That's what I'm having today, and today's a filming day, so that's not good. It needs some dry shampoo, a little bit of zhuzh in it at the top, but I will sort that out in a little while. But anyway, today I'm filming a mukbang. It's a KFC one. I don't eat a lot of KFC because I don't have a KFC near me really. Also, I didn't film anything last night because I forgot, I'm really sorry. But the charity night was really nice. It was just like an Indian, we just went out for a meal. It was yummy. And now I'm so glad that I had an Indian last night and now I'm having a KFC today. Living that healthy lifestyle. So I'm now just on my way home. We've been to KFC. I've got the bag on my lap here. It's quite a full bag and it also smells very strongly of unhealthy fried chicken. I've got my food, I've got my setup. Let's go. So I've just finished filming. I'm looking very shiny right now, but I'm in such a rush because I'm just about to head to the post office before it shuts because I have another parcel to return. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, because I forgot as well, but I'm actually going to a secondary school open evening tonight. I know it sounds very random, but basically one of my mum's friend's daughters is starting secondary school next year, and one of the rival secondary schools of my school have their open evening tonight, so I'm going along just to have a nosy, to be honest. I want to go and have a look around this school that I've never been in. Absolute waste of time for me because I'm not going to secondary school. I just want to have a look at what our rivals looks like, so take that. So that's what's happening this evening. I'd forgotten about it until about an hour ago. Right guys, I'm now off to the secondary school open evening. So random, I know. I will bring my camera, but I don't think I'm gonna film anything because just a bit weird, isn't it? But you never know, I'll bring it anyway. If I manage to get anything, you will see it in the next clip. If not, I'll see you again in the morning. Tomorrow is a day of packing.
I'll fill your pillowcase up with snakes, but I'm eating kind of you.
Good morning guys. So this has just arrived in my PO box and I haven't opened it yet, so I thought I would open it on camera with you. Oh, I can't get into the box. Here we go. Are we ready? What is this going to be? I'm literally so excited. It says pink cupcake delivery. Do not eat. Slightly disappointed, not going to lie. Oh my goodness. Are these like little bath bombs? They are amazing. Look, I'm not even filming it. Look at them. Oh my gosh, where's the press release? It's flown away somewhere. Here we go. So this is the lovely company that have sent me these. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. So you can get these on roseandcompany.com. Would highly recommend just from the smell. I can't wait to use one of these. I might go and get in the bath right now actually. Look at them. They look delightful. Guys, I'm trying to pack my suitcase. I've still got this stuff and my makeup bag and all my underwear to go in. And this is what my suitcase looks like. So, I mean, literally what am I going to do? And like, this is my toiletries bag. I've got a makeup bag the same size. I've got my shoes. Oh, I'm having a bit of a mare, I'm not going to lie. Hey guys, it's Sunday. My eyebrows look really dark on this camera. I don't know why. Well, I did tint them yesterday, but they're not that dark in person. My exposure's down, I think. But I'm having a mare with the suitcases. I'm the only person home right now and we are leaving to go to Gatwick Airport tonight. Although we're not flying till tomorrow morning, but we're staying in the Premier Inn tonight. So we're allowed 20 kilograms, obviously. I thought it was usually 23. So my suitcase is over. It was about 22.8 or something. So if it was 23, I'd have been fine. But it's 20. However, my dad had room in his suitcase. So I put my makeup bag and my toiletries in his bag because they're the most heaviest things. And then his bag was over. So I was like, mate, what do I do? So I've been trying to figure it out. I think I'm almost there. Mine is like 19.5 now and I think his is like just over 20, but I'm not sure what my mum's is, so I might be able to put some of the stuff in hers. Oh, but I'm weak. I'm literally trying to hold these 20-kilogram bags. I'm using our little scale thing and my arms are shaking. I'm literally the most pathetic human. This is why I'm going to the gym now. So I can hold my holiday suitcases. Oh my god, what a mare. Oh, by the way, I'm using a new suitcase now because the one I was using yesterday was really tiny. So this one is a little bit bigger, but it means that now I've overpacked. Great. Done my holiday nails. I've gone for this cute little pink colour because I thought like it was holiday-ish. But anyway, I am going to head off, try and sort out these suitcases. I'm going to end this weekly vlog here and I will pick you back up. I'm not sure when, but I am going to vlog some of my holidays, so that will be the next vlog that goes live on my channel. I don't know if it's going to be a weekly or a daily, I don't know yet, but we will see. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it wasn't the most exciting. I've had a bit of a just organisation week, which obviously isn't the best to film. But yeah, I hope you managed to find some happiness within it. My arms are aching. But anyway, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to see my future weekly vlogs and I'll see you again in my next video. It's a mukbang and it's a good one. Bye!